Hello guys, my name is Neha Singh and today I'm going to do some unboxing. No, actually we are going to do some unboxing. So we have three products which have been launched today by nothing all new brand CMF, which is the CMF Watch Pro, a CMF Buds Pro and a CMF 65 watt GaN Charger. Which is really interesting because after a lot of buzz created around nothing phone lately, nothing has come up with its own new brand CMF, which will primarily focus on making tech more affordable. And this time around, we have all these products under ₹5,000. First, we will start with the CMF Watch Pro and just have a look at the packaging. How we cannot talk about it. They have taken a smart step by keeping the packaging sleek and hassle-free, which is definitely helping them to reduce cost on shipping, and also on our end, we have less waste to dispose of, which is really impressive. Here is the watch in front of us. It has a 1.96-inch AMOLED display with a metallic grey body and has a vibrant orange color strap. You also get a charging cable and a user manual. This is priced at ₹4,999. They also have a dark grey variant at ₹4,499. Let's unbox the second product we have by CMF. It's the CMF Buds Pro. The design of the case will appeal to a group of consumers who like to have basic and simplistic looking devices. It's lightweight and will not take a lot of space in your bag or in your pocket. You get a Type A to Type C cable, ear tips and a user manual. This is priced at ₹3,499. Now moving on to the third product, the 65 watt GaN Ultra Fast Charger. We have this charger in matte black finish. You get a USB-A port and two USB-C ports and a user manual. This is priced at ₹2,999. That's it for now. If you're willing to purchase any of these devices or want to know more about its performance, we'll be coming back with a detailed review soon. So stay connected. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.